Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This video tutorial is over the horizontal back fist from the horse stance position. Now, with the back fist, we're striking with the back side of the first two knuckles here, the back of the forefist. And the strike is moving across side to side. That's what horizontal means. Now, with my horse stance, I'm spreading my feet out, bending my knees here, keeping my feet parallel to each other. I'm not letting the toes turn out this way or turn in that way, pressing my knees gently out. Think about riding on the back of a big invisible horse. Get the basic idea. Now, for my back fist, I close my striking hand up into a fist, bring it onto my opposite shoulder, turn thumb down and palm out. And we're just coming across and through this way. I want to finish up with a little bit of a bend in my elbow here. I don't want to snap the arm out straight. That's going to put a lot of stress on my elbow. At that point, I'm starting to overextend the technique. I want to keep it about here. Here. Just across and through to here. Across and through like that. Now we'll start adding a little twist of our hips and shoulders. A twist back and twist through here. Twist back and twist through. Twist back and twist through. Now we'll take it a little faster and harder. Here. And here, and here. I want to be careful that I'm not throwing my arm away at the end of the strike. The twist helps me do that. Now let's look at this from the side. And I'm in my horse stance, my knees are bent, which is real important for this. My leg muscles don't have to work nearly as hard if I straighten my legs, but as I start to twist for the strike, I go off balance very quickly. I'm much stronger and more stable with my knees bent. Now my legs are going to have to work harder. That's part of the idea here. Also, you want to be sure to keep your head and shoulders over your hips and feet, that you're not starting to tip forward at the hips. What we've got here, just the way you would if you were riding a horse. When I'm riding a horse, I stay nice and upright. I start to slouch forward, I'm going to be falling off that horse pretty quickly. Again, I'm starting here, a little bit of a twist back, twist through and strike here. Now twist back, twist through, twist back, twist through. Now a little faster. Here and here. Now again, if I'm using that twist, I should be able to stop the back fist right here. If this is all arm, when I start going really fast and hard, this sort of thing can happen. I'm throwing my arm away and I'm putting a lot of stress on my shoulder now. If I use that twist, I'm faster, I'm stronger, and I have better control over the technique. So use that twist. Twist and strike that way. Now, let's have a look at this on the target. Just a moment. I could have your please. All right, what we're using here is a focus mitt. An arm shield works well for this. A blocker also works well for this. We're going to start, just touch it. Find it. Touch it with back of your first two knuckles. I want to be sure of my aim and of my distance. If I'm a little too far away, that's when that arm's going to come straight and I'm going to start leaning into it. Now I'm going off balance and everything's starting to come unraveled here. Putting myself off balance. I'm going to lose my accuracy. I'm going to lose my power. Just find it. Make Make sure of your distance. Keep that little bit of a bend in your elbow. Then, using that twist, take it slowly, touch and push through. Touch and push through. Just find it and push it through with that twist. Or once we've got that going real well, we'll just take it a little faster and strike. 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 If you're using that twist, you should get good, powerful, controlled strike. Now, this is going well. What we'll do is your partner is going to hold the focus mitt back, and they'll extend out and say 1/1000, then they'll pull it back. I've got to strike it while it's out.
1,000. 1,000. 1,000. 1,000. 1,000.
Moving target's a little more difficult to hit. If you're doing well with 1/1000, you can have your partner extend it and pull it back a little faster. Thank you. A moving target is much more challenging to work with. But if we're having to do this sort of thing, if I'm having to do a back fist in self-defense, it will be against a moving target, not against a target that is obligingly held in one place for me until I get there. That's a good way to start practicing the skill. But once you feel confident with the basic skill, you're in good balance, you're aiming well, you're getting good power into your back fist, challenge yourself by having your partner extend that target and then pull it back away again. So you've got to hit it while it's still out and available to you. That was our horizontal back fist from the horse stance position. Thank you for joining me.